Ooh, this one's going. That one's going. Holy moly. This is essentially just a clump of blood at this point. Frozen blood. Luckily with catfish, we're not too picky. Throw it on. Now this knot. This is a knot I always tie on all my catfish stuff. This is an egg loop knot. I'm sure I'll make a video here somewhat soon. How to tie it. How to do everything. It's just kind of a trial run. So all this does is this will hold it like that. There we go. There you go. Let it sink. See that line going out? Sink, sink, sink. Here we go. Well, all we're gonna do is set this down. Guess up a little bit. What we're gonna do is tighten this till that's nice and tight. Oh, they're in here. Teeny spinner. Little thing. I'm bored and I'm tired of sitting on the ground. So we're gonna throw this. There we go. Not a bad knot. This is 4 pounds, so let's try it out. Real slow. Let that get to the bottom. Well, that's not good. That ain't gonna catch nothing. A good hit. This one. Look at that. Yep. My reel will fall off. Good lord. Right way. Go. I did mess with it quite a bit, so if he goes away, I don't blame him. Just leave it there. I'm gonna leave it close. I'm not going that far. I'm just gonna go like right here. messed with that one a little too much. A little too much. Get that thing way out there. Sink, sink, sink. One's getting hit again. So that's not. Oh, jeez. Always gotta be something. How in the world? That's why I wasn't spinning very good. There we go. This doesn't help either. It's crossed over. It's okay. We make do. There we go. Ooh, this one's going. That one's going. Ooh. Yeah, baby. That's a fish. Ooh, that's a good fish. Good fish, good fish. It doesn't feel like a cat. It's not fighting like a cat. I don't know what that is. Holy moly. Ooh, I got a carp. Good carp too. Very good carp. That is a chunky carp. Look at that. I don't know how you guys can see that. I'm gonna tire him out. I don't got my net. Come on over. That's a new one. That's a new one, I will say. Oh, how well it's hooked. That's hilarious. Oh, that's good. I wish I brought my net for this one. Alright now. Hold still, buddy. Need 2 nets for this one. Should have brought the net. Just broke me off. Alright. Hook's still in there. That little hook. Maybe. Carp, apparently. I don't know, there was carp in here. Yeah. Here you go.
That's you.
I didn't know there was carp in here.
Me neither. I usually get catfish out of it.
Me too.
Did you want to try to weigh it? Or did
Yeah, if you want. Do you got yours on you?
we just bought it, so.
Really? Oh, cool.
That'll be a good way to see how it works.
Yeah. 4 pounds?
It's not bad.
No. Guess what it was on though?
Corn.
Chicken liver. Yeah.
Dang, I don't know they went for chicken.
I didn't either. I was like, yeah, that's not fighting like a cat.
Yeah, we went
That is cool.
Park up the street trying to get bass, but we didn't
Really?
catch nothing yet.
Yeah, they're in here. Yeah, they're not bad.
Caught bass out of here?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh definitely. Yeah.
Well,
Is this
that's
the only
nice
park
fish.
you go to?
Yeah. I've been coming here since I was 9, 8, 9.
really?
Yeah. I'm making a video. This is my first video. Yeah. If you guys don't mind being in it, I mean.
No, we
No,
don't
no,
care.
no.
Okay.
YouTube,
Really cool.
TikTok?
Yeah, YouTube. All right. Thank you guys. Alrighty, there he goes. Alright. Ain't that something? Awesome. Cool fish, man. I didn't know there was carp in here. Alright. I gotta re-rig this though. It snapped. So here's the leader. It works good. I like it. It's clear, it's light, strong. Then for parks, why not? I like Gamakatsu. Gamakatsu's always sharp. Always sharp and always works. Yeah. Oh, there's actually not on this one already. There we go. So, that egg loop net I was telling you guys about, all you do, take this, feed this through here, like that. So you can see I have that line through, right? Wrap it 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pull it tight, and do the same thing again. Take this end, put it through the eye. No, this way. Put it through. So think of like you're putting it back through to where you're going to tie your knot to your rod. Pull this out. Makes it a little bit easier. Hold this down like that. Now, same steps as the first. 1, 2. Sometimes you're going to use your mouth. 3. And I like to hold it and then just kind of pull this out. So that was 3. We need 3 more. 1. 2. 3. Just like that. You're going to hold this. Bring all this through. Wet your knot like always. And I just like to hold everything. So you can see this is kind of tangled. But it's not that big of a deal. So just kind of break this all up. That. And just pull it tight. That. Pull. Pull. This one's kind of messy, but you can kind of tell it's a little dark. But you're going to be able to feed this through. Right. And then you have your little loop. So hot dogs, chicken liver, worms, you don't really need it. But so that'll hold it like that. Well, this was definitely a good trial run for everything. Audio probably is not the best. Still figuring everything out. Thank you guys for watching. If I do end up posting this, I will see you guys later.